Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in 15 days. First, let's create a smart study plan. Begin by mapping out your entire syllabus and identifying key subjects. Prioritize topics that carry more marks or those you find challenging. Allocate dedicated time slots for each subject, ensuring a balanced approach. Remember, consistency is key, even for short study bursts. This structured approach will maximize your efficiency and reduce stress. Now, let's dive into effective study techniques. Don't just passively read, actively engage with the material. Try active recall by quizzing yourself on topics without looking at your notes. Solve practice questions and past papers to understand exam patterns. Summarizing chapters in your own words helps solidify understanding. Even explaining a concept aloud to an imaginary audience can significantly boost your memory. Revision is crucial, especially in a condensed time frame. Set aside a portion of each day for reviewing previously studied topics. This reinforces your learning and prevents forgetting. Practice solving full-length mock exams under timed conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your schedule. A 5 to 10 minute break every hour can significantly improve focus and prevent mental fatigue. On the final days, focus on light revision and maintaining a positive mindset. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's vital for memory consolidation. Stay hydrated and eat nutritious meals to keep your energy levels up. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Trust in your preparation and approach the exam with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.